our natural perception of technical control is fixation and the falling increase of pressure. Such approach assumes damage. It looks reliable and practical. We agree with that, as we do not naturally know any other solution of control. Aikido techniques, as the implementation of another approach, are not designed to damage an opponent. But how the control of Aikido is different? Aikido and Aikido techniques stand as the solution to establish certain connection which provides integral control of the whole body. Although such control is also based on the limitations of physical body, like limitations of joint traverse, Aikido does not teach you to use these limitations to damage someone, but to use this knowledge for creating the tension, which is the connection, and therefore control. A better name for such type of control is leadership. The technical manifestation of this notion is in dynamics, and the control of Aikido is dynamic due to the tension. In other words, in Aikido, excessive tension or pressure transforms into movement, not into pain and damage. Let's look at the control of Aikido from another angle. If the control is in static position, it must be increasing or it will lose its controlling value. It's because uke will start adapting, or you will need to provide such controlling conditions so that when they start adapting, the controlling pressure will increase and demotivate them from looking for a way out. But this is hard to accomplish in the standing position, and Aikido has a solution. The solution of Aikido is the leadership, which is dynamic integral control. In the conditions when you are in process of studying Aikido techniques, you actually learn to avoid the intentions to damage by considering and examining the value of another approach, the approach of merging, connection, unification. One of the manifestations of Aikido approach of this idea is the integral control, the leadership, which avoids the necessity to increase the pressure on the joints and still provides efficient control. In other words, the necessity to increase pressure is substituted by the dynamics of uke in the leadership process. So, within Aikido practice, you learn to perceive that such approach of Aikido has more value, meaning it is more powerful, more desirable, because in the end, you leave your opponent time to reconsider their intentions. You have the control and nobody is hurt.